Boating is one of the great Aussie pastimes. You can't beat being out on the water on a hot summer's day. In today's video, we'll be covering an overlooked part of boating, towing safety and getting the boat from your house to the water safely and back again. First things first, you want to make sure that your vehicle is up to the task of towing heavy loads. Check that your tyres are in good condition and the tyre pressures are set appropriately. If you're not aware of the correct tyre pressures, check your car's owner's manual for details. Generally, more pressure is better than less. As a rule of thumb, increase the pressure in the rear tyres by about 4 psi over what you would usually run. It's important to remember that stopping will take a lot longer with the added weight. If your trailer is fitted with electric brakes, you'll need an electric brake controller kit to legally tow it. When it comes to towing heavy loads like your boat, you'll want to consider a brake upgrade like the Bendix Ultimate 4-wheel drive brake upgrade kit. The upgrade is designed to increase your vehicle's stopping power to cope with towing heavy loads safely. With your rig capable of safely handling the heavy load, you can look at hitching your trailer. Back up slowly and line up your tow ball with the trailer hitch. Your vehicle's reversing camera can be a real help here. When you're in position, unwind the jockey wheel and lower the trailer onto your tow ball. Check that the connection is secure and connect the chains to your tow bar with properly rated shackles. Raise and lock the jockey wheel and connect your trailer lights. Make sure you test your trailer turn signals, brake lights and tail lights for correct operation. It's also a good idea to drive 10 to 20 metres, stop and check everything is bedded in and okay. There are a couple of things to remember when it comes to safe towing. The weight balance on your trailer can have a drastic effect on driving stability and needs to be spot on. The position of the boat on the trailer plays a big part in this. If the boat is too far to the back, you may need to shift the winch post forward. If in doubt, your boat dealer or a trailer specialist can help here. Also, take care not to overload the boat on the trailer. Consider the effect ice boxes and other equipment might have on weight distribution when towing. When turning, be sure to account for the extra width of your trailer by sticking to the middle of your lane. Keeping an eye on your trailer and the side mirrors can help prevent you from cutting any corners. Before you launch your boat, check the condition of the ramp and where it enters the water. Check for any potholes or spots where you might lose traction. When reversing down the ramp, remember that your boat will turn the opposite direction to where you're turning the steering wheel. It pays to practice reversing before you arrive at the boat ramp, especially if it's a busy one. You'll now be set up and ready to launch your boat. At the end of a day of boating, most people will give their boat a good clean to prevent any salt buildup or corrosion, but don't forget your trailer and tow vehicle. A good freshwater rinse of the trailer, including the wheels and brakes, is a must. Do the rear end of your tow vehicle while you're at it. With these safe towing tips, it'll be smooth sailing to and from the boat ramp for your next boating adventure. Visit bendix.com.au for more info on brake upgrades for your tow vehicle and drive safe with Bendix.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.